Hi all. So today we are going to discuss OpenAI o3-mini model, which you might be hearing in news everywhere. These updates are going to make ChatGPT 100 times better. So don't go anywhere and stay till the end. Let's dive in. OpenAI o3-mini. This is the most cost-efficient reasoning model, and this is available for free in ChatGPT, and you can also use it via API. So this powerful and fast model advances the boundaries of what a small model can achieve with a specific focus on STEM-related capabilities. So you can use it for science, technology, and especially coding. So this is something which is going to be very useful for coders, and if you want to improve performance there, you should definitely check it out. Some of the other benefits is that it is able to keep its cost low, and it's also able to reduce latency. Now, how do you use Open AI O3 Mini model in ChatGPT? Let's check it out. So, in order to use OpenAI O3 Mini, what you have to do is use this button called Reason. So when you click on it, whatever question you ask, the response will be more in depth. So this model will go through multiple parameters and try to give you a response which is more comprehensive. Get out how it does it. So I'm asking is what is the meaning of life? Provided some answers and all, and let's try to use it without reason and see what it does. So if you see, when I ask question without reason, the answer is somewhat concise and not having in-depth response. But when we ask using the reason, the answers are a little different. And this thing is very useful when you are doing coding. So, whatever code logic you have created, the performance will be much better when we use this reason button or O3 mini model. When you're using O3 mini for coding, OpenAI provides three different levels, as you can see, low, medium, and high. So it depends, how much accuracy you want, and what's the speed you're looking for. So if there's something straightforward, then you can use low, and this will provide a very quicker response. But if there's something complex and you want it to provide more in-depth answer, then you can use the high option. But again, it may have a slower response as it has to go through multiple data sets. So a lot of tools like Cursor AI has already implemented this model in their software, and same way others are also implementing it. A lot of people have also suggested that this model is much better than DeepSeek R1 model, which was released recently. So if not done already, please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. We are a small growing channel trying to reach our first 1,000 subscriber, and this will help us in reaching more folks like you and sharing knowledge related to AI.